In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language in Google Chrome 2025. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three vertical dots there. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy options to appearance and language preferences. Inside Settings, find and click Language. This is where Chrome lets you choose the language you want to use. Once you open the Language section, look for the list of available languages. From there, choose the language you want. If your preferred language is already listed, simply select it. If you have more than one language available, make sure you pick the one you want Chrome to use moving forward. If Chrome updates the display language after your selection, allow it a moment to apply the change. In some cases, you may need to revisit the language section to confirm that your preferred option is selected correctly. Staying patient during this part can help avoid confusion. That covers everything you need to know.